I'm Dr. Ben, founder of Treble Health. We're a private practice that specializes in tinnitus. And since 2020, I've been making YouTube videos here on this channel. But for the past 4 years, we also created a telehealth service specializing in tinnitus. Now in 2025, we are opening physical clinics, brick and mortar locations for patients to be seen in person and have the flexibility of telehealth as well. And the big news to share is that my practice, Treble Health, has acquired the clinic of Dr. Gail Brenner in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And if you didn't know, I run Treble Health with my brother Garrett. We're both audiologists, and for many years, people would ask us, hey, are you guys going to open a practice together? And it didn't really make sense until Treble Health started with telehealth, and then we joined forces. And Philadelphia is the home of Gail Brenner's practice, but it's also called the city of brotherly love. So at Treble Health, what we're going to do working with Dr. Brenner is take the excellent work she's been doing for 4 decades in the greater Philadelphia area and connect our Treble Health team with her team and make an even bigger impact than each of us could alone. Let me give you some details about Dr. Gail Brenner. Dr. Brenner is very impressive. Like me, she obsesses over tinnitus treatment for what she can do for her patients, and I've loved getting to know her on a personal level. She's an award-winning audiologist and tinnitus specialist for over 40 years. You guys probably know I'm not even 40 years old, so I'm pretty impressed by her already. And she's a leading expert in tinnitus retraining therapy, which is a proven treatment approach for managing tinnitus symptoms. She has extensive experience training under Dr. Pavel Jastroboff, who created tinnitus retraining therapy, a model that revolutionized tinnitus treatment. Let's take a small clip right here of Dr. Jastroboff sharing a little bit about tinnitus retraining therapy, as I also studied under him, and he's one of my primary mentors. You can even see a picture of me on the screen visiting Dr. Jastroboff, who is an absolute tinnitus legend. Let's hear from him for a quick moment.
The TRT, tinnitus retraining therapy, which is a specific implementation of this model aiming at habituation of tinnitus reaction and then subsequently habituation of tinnitus perception. What does it mean? It's a retraining brain of a patient to start treating tinnitus sound like a sound of proverbial refrigerator in the kitchen. That means refrigerator is switching on and off all the time. Normally we're not hearing it, and when we're hearing it, it's not bothering us.
Thank you, Dr. Jastroboff. We're so grateful for the work that you've done and training specialists like myself and Dr. Gail Brenner. Dr. Brenner was even on the CBS News in Philadelphia for her work as a tinnitus specialist. And one thing I love about her website, we'll put this up on the screen right now, is that, yeah, she gives a bio of herself, her experience, how in 1993 she established her private practice. Tinnitus and sound sensitivity treatment has been her specialty. But what I'm really excited about is she puts her cute dog on the website. I mean, come on, could you have a better doctor than this? You can see right here on the screen, it says, "Meet Iggy, our office champion." Now, if someone knows what breed of dog this is, please comment below. So guys, if you're within a few hours driving distance of Philadelphia, put this on the map. Dr. Gail Brenner will personally work with you and come up with a tinnitus treatment plan. That's incredible because you can get some of the treatment done in person, but also do some of the treatment via telehealth. And if you want to speak with her, you can have an introductory telehealth visit or a phone call to see if working with her is the right fit for you. And why does this matter? Why are you listening to this? Well, number one, it's impactful to me, and I wanted to share it with you. This is a big change going on in my life and in Treble Health. Number two, you're part of this community, and you simply watching these videos and sharing them with people and commenting and engaging with them really does help us get our mission out there, that there is hope for tinnitus, that there are treatments that are available right now that can make a huge difference in patients' lives, and that goes a long way. So thank you so much. But how this is really impactful for you is to understand that there are specialists out there that can do something for tinnitus. Maybe you've worked with a few doctors in the past. Maybe you were frustrated that they didn't seem to have a specific treatment plan. Well, there are doctors across the country, including myself, including Dr. Gail Brenner, and many others, not only Treble Health, of course. You can work with dedicated tinnitus specialists, and you are not stuck in this symptom. You can get better. What does that mean? Improving sleep, having less awareness of the sound during the day, hearing the sound less often, perhaps with the right treatment, the volume perception, the actual intensity of the sound going down over time, habituating to the sound, where the brain can learn to filter out the sound automatically so you never think about it or hear it. Just like the sound of our breathing, always there, but we never think about it. It doesn't affect us. I just want this message to get through to you guys that this sound is not set in stone in your brain. You're not ruined from this. There's hope. And specialists like myself and Dr. Gail Brenner are people that can help. How does this fit into our vision or what we're trying to do? Well, unfortunately, the tinnitus community is underserved. There's not that many specialists that are good at diagnosing the root cause of tinnitus and providing an effective treatment. We have cracked the code at Treble Health of how to do this via telehealth. In 2025, we're now doing this in the brick and mortar physical clinic space. The good news for us is that it's actually easier to do this in person than it is via telehealth, because the in-person model is more tried and true. It's been done for decades. The telehealth model was innovative and is new. So we're still growing the telehealth practice. However, we're also opening brick and mortar locations. And if you live close to any of these areas, comment below, reach out to us, give us a call, because we can connect you with a doctor in that area who can help. We have clinics in cities including San Francisco, California, South Florida, close to Miami. We also have Charlotte, North Carolina, which we acquired Dr. Melissa Karp's practice, and this practice in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We're also opening soon physical location clinics in Seattle, Washington, and New York City. Big stuff is happening over here. So your support has always meant a lot. Thank you for watching this video, and any help you can give us, I would really appreciate it. If you know someone in those greater areas that needs help for their hearing, tinnitus treatment, hearing loss treatment, just know that there's a team of compassionate audiologists who use science and evidence-based techniques to help. Guys, if you've been around me for a while, just want to acknowledge you and say thank you, and I hope we can meet up in person at some kind of event, for me to share it back through the screen. Thank you so much. And this is Dr. Ben with Treble Health saying, I'll see you on the next video or at one of our clinics. Take care and thanks so much.